hindi tang srabsu pratesay, swadi tukan chan chuks malay ka es Velasco, naksuk apiting siyang ni laksu sur BSHM, wad MO18, wan ni pamkana sengs pratesay tang prawatisas, stanti tang stay lay sahar yid niyum. The history of Thailand was 1932 to 1973 was dominated by military dictatorship which were in the power of much of the period. The main personalities of the period were the dictator Luang Pibon Songkram, better known as Pibon, who allied the country with Japan during the Second World War. The civilian politician Pridi Panomyong, who founded Thammasat University and was briefly prime minister after the war. A succession of military dictator followed Pridi's ouster. Pibon again Sarit Tanarat then Tanom Kitichorn, under whom traditional authoritarian rules was combined with increasing modernization and westernization under the influence of the U.S. The end of the period was marked by Tanom's resignation, followed a massacre of pro-democracy protesters led by Thammasat students. From 1939, including a few months in 1946, the official name of Thailand was changed from the Kingdom of Siam to the Kingdom of Thailand, which is still the official name of Thailand today. Tourist spots in Thailand. Floating markets near Bangkok. To get an idea of what shopping in Bangkok used to be like before all the canals were filled in, many people visiting the capital take a day trip to one of the floating markets outside the city. Though today floating markets typically function as the tourist attraction and community meeting places rather than vital aspect of local farming economies, they still remain vibrant places brimming the scrumptious food. The most popular floating market for foreign tourists is Damyon Sadwak, while the most Thai favor the Apawa floating market. Pangabay, located just over 95 kilometers 60 miles from the island of Phuket. Pangabay is one of the top tourist attractions in Thailand and one of the most scenic area in the country. It consists of beautiful caves, aquatic grottos, and limestone island. The most famous island in the bay is sea stuck called Kopingkan, more commonly known as James Bond Island, which was featured in the James Bond movie, The Man with the Golden Gun. A popular way of visiting Pangabay is by sea kayak, as they are the only way to get inside the grottos and sea caves. Grand Palace in Bangkok. Going to Bangkok without visiting the Grand Palace would be like visiting Paris and not checking out the Eiffel Tower. Viewed as the country's spiritual heart, the construction of the magnificent complex of building began in 1782. For over 140 years. It served as the official residence of the seven kings of Siam. Situated in Phra Nakhon, Bangkok Central District, this stunning complex of buildings include the iconic Wat Phra Kaew, otherwise known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. It is home of the sacred Emerald Buddha, which dates back to the 14th century. If you want to visit here, be aware that there is a strict dress code. Men must wear long pants and short with the sleeves. Similarly, women should not wear clothing that does not reveal bare shoulder, cleavage, or above the knee. Popular food in Thailand: mango sticky rice, pad krap rao, plaka pungyong manaw. Mango sticky rice, the final highlight of any authentic Thai meal. This popular tradition dessert is a breath of fresh air after downing several heavily spiced dishes. Deceptively simple mango sticky rice is a dish made by pairing two seemingly unlikely ingredients, mango slices and sweet glutinous rice. But when eaten together, the sourness of the mango is gently balanced out by a coconut milk infused sticky rice, offering a mild creamy flavor similar to the rice pudding. Some variations come with the sticky rice drizzled with the sweet coconut cream, topped with a few sprinkles of roasted mung beans or sesame. Pad krap rao, a go-to dish for a Thai local when he is unsure about what to eat on a night out. This means pork and rice a la carte dish can be eaten at any time of the day. Typically served alongside steamed jasmine rice, pad krap rao comes with a side of fatty minced pork, stir-fried with the Thai holy basil and seasoned with fish sauce and chopped chili. Other variations include beef, chicken, or seafood ingredients, stir-fried with the basil, cowpeas, bamboo shot, and topped with a fried egg. Plaka pungyong manaw, steamed lime fish, a favorite both at home and abroad. Authentic Thai food lover known plaka pungyong manaw, well as steamed lime fish. Take one whole Asian sea bass, steam until the fillet is moist and fluffy, then soak in the lime soup and serve with the diced garlic, chilies, and cilantro. Get this classic dish fresh anywhere in Thailand and pair it with a side of jasmine rice.